Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I had to help these birds secure the nest that they built on a slope, and all the eggs the girls were laying were running downhill, and they definitely can't breed with eggs scattered all around the farm. So I'm just keeping an eye on this boy. He can kick right through the fence here, so I'm just trying to be vigilant and not give him the chance of kicking me. So they kick forward, so ostriches kick forward, so that's why he's dancing. He's kind of dancing now. So, and as well, stay tuned in this episode. This boy was chasing me on the quad, and let's see how fast ostriches run, especially these males in breeding season. Thank you for watching. I'll just show you quickly. This two has paired up, and there's their nest. So you see there's one egg. So I'm going to drive closer and I'll show you what they do. Let me just turn this off. You see, she doesn't have any feathers on her back. That's because of the mating. So this is the nesting site, so I'll need to come and somehow fix this with sand. I did it last year with them, and the buffaloes destroyed all their nests, like, and everything. 3 nests got destroyed last year by the buffaloes. So this year I've put them in with the deer. Okay, all right. So the two of them are definitely paired up now. So I'm just the ostriches has got a nest here. There's the ostrich nest. So what happens is they lay the eggs, and the eggs roll downhill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a barrier here, so the eggs can't roll down. And I need to do this before the ostrich male has got a wind of me. Just another day on the farm. The best will be to put some sand down. So I'll need to bring them some sand. Okay. Now I need to collect the eggs, so So they'll probably start breeding now. Luckily the male, I fed the male and female some maize, so I'm a bit out of breath. I had to run, but he's an angry boy around this nest, so hopefully this will get them to start breeding. Oh, here comes our angry male. Okay, she's now at the nest. Okay, I'm gonna so I need to show you guys what I'm doing with this male to get out of his so you can see the female is like they're not happy. Okay, come on. Something has broken their eggs, or some of their eggs. Let me just give her some food. Okay, so what now that they've got food, come on, boys, come on. Iceman, come on. So I'm giving him some maize so I can fix this nest. Okay. He is not happy with me. Okay, alright, okay. I just need to keep an eye on him. I just want to fix the nest, but he's like in the way. Wait. You'll see she doesn't have a lot of feathers on the back, and that's because of the mating. I have mentioned that before, but okay, girls. All right. Okay. Wait. Oh. I was hoping for some better luck here, but Alonso, come on. Okay, all right, okay. Come on. Don't eyeball me, mate. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you eat there. Say. Just need to keep an eye on him. I'm gonna leave them. Well, people, if you want to see how angry an ostrich male gets when you disturb his nest, here he comes. Hold on, let me just keep everything tightened up here because this is going to be a fun run. Oh, here we go. How do you do, sir? Oh, so if you can have a look at his beak, it's like an pink. His shins is pink. That's all bad news. Here we go. Hello. How do you do, mate? Okay, let's go for a fun run. Oh. Hope you enjoy that. Here he comes. I just wanted to get out of the paddock while I can. Yes, young man. Hello. Yeah. Okay, all right. Well, that's him. See the flap of the wings? That's like a warning. Okay, we're going. I just would like to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. I would appreciate some comments, and as well like and subscribe. I've got more videos on this side and subscription here, so please do support me, subscribe, and there's some really interesting videos on the way. Thank you.